murder. Woke up in the 6 early morning. Outside hoping the whip ain't stolen. Back ripped, you know that shit murder. R.I.P. all my fallen soldiers.
What up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Bizzle Mill, and yeah, we in the G today, and just gonna do a cruise on the highway, a couple pulls. Hope y'all enjoy the sound. Let me know in the comments down below. For the people that says this car is slow, it's not the fastest in the GTA, obviously. I'm only 450 wheel. There is some issues that I have right now. I'm not gonna say. I'm not worried about it because I can just easily fix it. I just don't have time, man. I'm a father of 2. I work a lot. Live off YouTube. I'm gonna give you guys the front view. Let go. Just gotta disconnect from my face. Fucking auto tracking. And then we're gonna turn. Right there I have my phone so I can see what's going on. Can hear the turbo shuffling and shit. It sounds nasty, eh? I don't want to fuck around too much on this highway because there's a lot of cops on this highway. If you know, you know. I'm gonna lock on to the steering wheel. Obviously, I'm just giving you guys a ride in the G, that POV. Hope y'all like it. Like in the comments if you love how the G sound. Got any questions, drop it down below. I'll try to answer it the best way I can. I didn't like the way the camera looked when I had it mounted to that window. Far on my way where I was going, I had it mounted on the sun. Can't talk. My mouth frozen.
see me in that parking lot, man, they say you killing it. Woo. Yeah, I keep it all white, just like my all white. You know my shit is loud, just like the shit you smoking. Like the tires up, just to see you really trolling. Got your bitch choking. You